Are you someone who is living outside India and looking for something ethnic, elegant, and made in India? Then your search for authentic Indian ethnic wear ends here because Soch has the perfect look for every mood and moment. But Soch does not offer international shipping. Don't worry, that's where Shoppre can help you out. Watch to know more.
Sign up with Shoppre.com using your email address or your Google account. Once you sign up, you will reach the dashboard where you can find your virtual Indian address. Please note that you can use this address to shop from any Indian e commerce store while you are staying outside of India. There's also a unique number at the bottom of the address which is solely for delivery purposes and cannot be used to sign up on any of the shopping sites.
Open your preferred e-commerce store like Soch and add your favorite products to the cart. You can order not only from Soch but from any store in India. Copy and paste the Indian address provided by Shoppre as your delivery address during checkout. Your package will be delivered to our warehouse and we'll store it in the locker section of your dashboard, allowing you to create a shipment request. Once the shipment request is accepted, we'll consolidate all your package into one shipment and send you the payment link. Choose your preferred payment mode and take advantage of any available offers. Track your shipment and expect delivery within 3 to 6 working days. Happy shopping!